Again, no navigation. I had reset everything. I went back to a factory reset today. And what do you know? Again, no control. It's doing exactly the same thing as before. Haven't even made any phone calls yet. Haven't even added my contacts back. Can we hit the power off here? Power off does not work again. Can't even toggle it. So what an incredible waste of time. I gotta fight with this stupid phone and software. I mean, I'm not asking a lot of it. I've hardly got anything on it. All I did was install a number of browsers, simple notepad. I don't think I installed anything else. And again, same issue. I am not happy here. So let's see what we got here. Unlock. So I did Task Manager, Simple Notepad, a number of browsers, Fast Mail, and that's it. That's all I've installed. Camera was already there. Like essentially nothing on here, and it's still acting up. So it's very, very tiring, guys. Very, very, very tiring. I noticed it did some updates behind my back when I wasn't looking. Very tiring. Very, very tiring.